very happy that Father decided to have this peace walk, and I'm part of it because it's actually shouting out to the government, saying that please listen to us. You know, we are trying everything. We've gone to Mollem meetings. We are voicing up on social media. We are doing paint, artwork, everything, because environment is the most important thing, and we can see with the climate change what is happening in other countries, in other states, and we have to protect it because we have our greens right now before it's destroyed, because they don't understand the value, because they are not environmentalists. They've not planted plants before, they've not done farming before, so they don't know the importance of it. And even recently, I mean yesterday I think so, CM has released a video called Web of Life. If you see that Web of Life, it only shows our Western Ghats. It shows the full cycle of the animals and our rivers, how important it is, and how water is important to our animals. So same as this cycle is important for us human beings also. We need our forests, we need our rivers, we need everything, because even humans need this, because we can see in the summers how everything is getting dried. And if we continue destructing, everything has a cycle, right from Western Ghats to the coastal plains to the low-lying fields. Everything is a chain, and you disrupt one of it, you don't know what slow death you're doing for the generations down the line.
Daboli. Early morning 5 o'clock this peace march was started in Mollem. And there have been a lot of people who joined in, went out, joined in till the boundary of their village. And now we have the people of Kortali, people of Sankwal, people of Daboli, Chikali, Vasco, and also people coming from Welsau, Kansauli, Majorda, even from Margaon, and many people have come. Sogle Goinkar aizela. Even some of the elected members also have joined us today. Good thing to see MLAs joining from different parties. But yes, we had called them, given a call, come as Goans, and they have come as Goans. We appreciate that also. And this walk today is a peace walk. It is not a protest. But as we walk peacefully, we bring to our mind all these things that are affecting Goa. Mollem issue, the 3 projects that are coming up in Mollem, people don't want it. And if government is going against it, then we are saying, please, आमी तुमचे, तुम्ही आमचे, आमकां ते नाका. Plus Melauli, we have IIT coming. Once again, Western Ghats is being affected. Magir amche rivers jo ha, 6 rivers that have been nationalized, we are bringing that also into our mind. Give us back our rivers. We don't need nationalization of rivers. Amche nodi amkan jai. The Sagarmala project that is coming specially to help coal. Amkan goya kolso bilkul yeवपाकूच naka. Okay, we don't want to be a place where it is we become a hub of coal. आता सद्याक आयजूच आता आमकां खबर मेळ्ळे ते भशेन मोलें ट्रॅकाचेर today there has been one accident. A cheetah has been killed by a train accident. आमकां हें सगळें करपाक नाका. आमकां आमचें गोंय सांबाळपाक जाय आनी आहा ते भाशेन सांबाळपाक जाय.